Hey there, fellow TV lovers! Today, let's talk about a TV that's big on size and surprisingly easy on the wallet. The Samsung 85-inch class DU7200 series Crystal UHD 4K Smart Tizen TV. If you're looking for a cinematic experience right in your living room without selling a kidney, this one might just be your new best friend. Now, some of you might be thinking, 85 inches? That's gotta be expensive. And while it's no small purchase, the DU7200 manages to deliver a premium viewing experience at a price that won't make your head spin. We're talking about a whole lot of screen for the money, folks. But is it too good to be true? Let's dive into the details and see what this giant screen has to offer. Before we go any further, let's be clear about what we're dealing with here. The exact model number we're discussing is UN85DU7200FXZA. This bad boy was released in 2024 as part of Samsung's lineup of affordable yet feature-packed TVs. Remember, those model numbers can be a mouthful, but they're important for making sure you're getting the right TV. Now that we've got that sorted, let's move on to the good stuff. The features that make this TV tick. So, what exactly does the Samsung 85-inch DU7200 bring to the table? Let's break it down. First up, we've got 4K resolution. That means a picture that's 4 times sharper than your old 1080p HD TV. Trust me, once you go 4K, you'll never want to go back. It's like looking through a window, except the window is showing your favorite movie or TV show. Next, we have Crystal UHD technology. This fancy term basically means the DU7200 uses a special crystal layer to enhance colors and make them more vibrant. Basically, everything looks richer and more lifelike. And of course, no smart TV would be complete without, well, being smart. The DU7200 runs on Samsung's Tizen operating system, which gives you access to all your favorite streaming apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, and more. You can even browse the web, play games, and connect your social media accounts. It's like having a giant smartphone built into your TV. Now for the million-dollar question, how's the picture quality? In a nutshell, it's pretty darn impressive, especially considering the price. The 4K resolution delivers crisp, detailed images, while the Crystal UHD technology makes colors pop. You won't find the same level of black levels and contrast as you would on a high-end OLED TV, but for most folks, the DU7200's picture quality is more than satisfactory. Whether you're watching a bright and colorful animated movie or a dark and gritty thriller, this TV delivers a satisfying viewing experience. Of course, picture quality can be subjective, so it's always a good idea to check out some reviews and see what others are saying. But overall, the Samsung 85-inch DU7200 punches well above its weight class in the picture quality department. Okay, we've talked about the picture quality, but what about the smart in Smart TV? Well, the DU7200 comes loaded with Samsung's Tizen operating system, and it's pretty slick. Tizen is known for being user-friendly and intuitive, even if you're not a tech whiz. You'll find all the popular streaming apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, Hulu, and more. It's like having a buffet of entertainment options right at your fingertips. No more switching inputs or fumbling with multiple remotes. But the DU7200's smarts don't stop there. You can also browse the web, check your social media, play games, and even control your other smart home devices right from your TV. It's like having a giant smartphone or tablet built right in. Alright, let's talk about what makes this TV really stand out. Here are some of the key pros. First up, the massive size. I mean, come on, 85 inches. That's like having your own personal movie theater right in your living room. You'll honestly feel like you're right in the action. Then there's the affordable price. You get a lot of bang for your buck with this TV. It's actually one of the most affordable 85-inch TVs on the market, making it a great value for budget-conscious buyers. Next, the picture quality is great. The 4K resolution and Crystal UHD technology deliver a sharp, colorful, and immersive viewing experience. And let's not forget about the smart features. With Samsung's Tizen operating system, you'll have access to all your favorite streaming apps, plus a ton of other cool features. It's a smart TV that really lives up to its name. So, if you're looking for a big screen TV that won't break the bank and comes loaded with features, the Samsung 85-inch DU7200 is definitely worth considering. Now, no TV is perfect, and the DU7200 does have a couple of drawbacks to keep in mind. First, the size can be a challenge. Let's be real, an 85-inch TV is huge. You'll need a pretty big living room to accommodate it, and you might need help mounting it on the wall. Also, it's not the absolute best picture quality. While the picture quality is impressive for the price, it's not as good as what you'd get with a higher-end QLED or OLED TV. Those TVs offer deeper blacks, better contrast, and a wider range of colors. And, well, the sound could be better. The built-in speakers are decent, but they lack the oomph and clarity you'd get with a dedicated soundbar or surround sound system. Overall, these are relatively minor drawbacks, especially if you're primarily concerned with size and value, but it's important to be aware of them before you make a decision. You don't have to just take my word for it. The Samsung 85-inch DU7200 has garnered a respectable 4 out of 5 stars from over 500 customer reviews on major online retailers. Many users rave about the impressive size-to-price ratio, praising the TV's ability to deliver a cinematic experience without breaking the bank. They also appreciate the user-friendly Tizen operating system and the abundance of smart features. Of course, no product is universally loved. Some users have noted that the sound quality could be better and that the viewing angles aren't ideal. However, these criticisms are generally outweighed by the positive feedback regarding the TV's overall value and performance. So, there you have it. The Samsung 85-inch DU7200 in all its glory. It's a big, bold TV that's perfect for budget-minded shoppers who want to maximize their screen real estate without emptying their wallets. If you're looking for a TV that will make you feel like you're at the movies without the sticky floors and overpriced popcorn, the DU7200 is definitely worth considering. Just make sure you have enough space for it.